Wow, alright guys, so it's been a very long time. Welcome on board. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And I think it's almost maybe a year or 2 years I've done the product review on my page right here on YouTube. So I want to share with you guys a brand new software that just launched. It's a new AI app that does a great job for product creator, especially digital product creator. You create ebooks, you create courses. You will find this new AI software very useful for you. So what it does literally is it helps you create, design, and publish ebooks. Very simple. Books that you can turn to profits, that you can publish them and start making money. You can start selling them, you can give them away, or you can use them as lead magnets. So this software will help you to create, design, even formats the content of your book, and then even publish your book for you on complete automation. And within a few minutes, you have a ready book that you can even convert to audiobooks. And it doesn't matter the niche you are in, you can generate ebooks for any kind of niche. And you don't need to do there's no writing, no design, no images. You don't start designing images, no formatting, nothing. This AI literally does everything for you. So I'm going to leave a link under this video, so you can go ahead and then come over to this page and pick up this new software, this brand new AI app, and then you can start creating as many ebooks that you want, and you can sell the book or use the book however you want. So currently there's a 73% early bird discounts on this page right now. So if you go right now and pick up this page, you see a link under this video. Click on the link, it's going to bring you right here, and then you can come ahead and pick up this amazing AI software. And there are some bonuses that's also included in this software. You're going to get bonus one: instantly turn your ebooks into audio ebooks. They're going to give you that bonus how to use that. Then you also get resell your ebooks and audiobooks and keep 100% of the profits. Another bonus, you get a step-by-step training on how to sell your ebooks on Amazon KDP. That's a very big digital marketplace where you can actually sell your digital products and even your ebooks. You're also going to get their API keys. Yes, you're going to get access to the API keys without any additional cost on you. Also, you're going to get 15 done for you ebook already written for you, high quality ebooks, and you also get 7-part follow-up series for those done for you ebooks that you're going to get right away. So you're going to find a link under this video. Click on the link under the video. I'm going to bring you right to this page, and you're going to get a 30-day money back guarantee. Yeah, you're going to get a 30-day money back guarantee when you pick up this eBook Valet this very moment. So just go ahead, check out the page. You're going to see there's a lot of proof that people are actually making money just selling ebooks. This is on payhip.com. Someone said, I finally crossed $1,000 selling digital products. How I made almost 10K selling digital products from scratch, and on and on. I made $8,000 from digital products passively. So there are a lot of people who are actually making money just selling ebooks, and this is what you can do. My ebook brought in $3,200 without ads. And then here is the breakdown and best tips. So click on the link on this video. You're going to get to read more of these reviews and people who are actually making lots of profits just selling ebooks. And with this now, you can create as many ebooks as you want in diverse niches, and then use it however you want. You can give them away. There's a lot of things you can do. So when you pick up eBook Valet, you're going to get instant ebooks in any niche. You're able to create ebooks in any niche, and then you can choose between push button, auto mode, or you can decide to do it manually, generate your books manually. And then you have a built-in editor that gives you full control. You have you can monetize instantly with clickable links and call to actions. Yeah, you can also create your books in any niche. Oh, this is wonderful. So whether your audience speaks Spanish, French, Yoruba, German, Japanese, Swahili, Indian, whatever, oh no, as many languages. They said about over 95 languages. So you can create your ebook in just a few clicks in any language of your choice, and you can instantly turn every ebook into audiobooks in seconds. So you'll find a link under this video. Go ahead, pick up this amazing AI software that lets you generate a full-blown ebook within minutes. It writes for you. All you need is the idea. So once you have your idea, you input your idea to the software, so it writes the book for you, it formats the book for you, and then it's design the book for you with images. Oh, this is amazing. And then it's also publish your book for you. That is, it publishes it for you. Maybe, I don't know, it publishes for you that you can start selling, and then you can keep 100% of the profit. So you are getting full PLR rights. You are getting full license rights to sell your ebooks, offer them as services, package them as bonuses, or use them as lead magnets for clients, and keep 100% of the profits. They're not taking anything from you. So just go ahead, click on the link under this video, and then you get access to pick up eBook Valet. I don't want to take a lot of time on you, but let me just see the pricing on the page. The pricing on the page, I think it's about $37. So they have two plans if you want. So you have the eBook Valet Pro and then the eBook Valet Lite. So they say this is the best deal. More persons are going for this deal right now. So you get 20 ebooks written, designed and formatted for you. You get ebooks up to 10,000 words, up to roughly 20 to 30 pages, and you also get audiobooks up to 5 minutes, full access to 12 premium AI voices to choose from. You get full access to their built-in editor. You get full access to built-in AI image generator. You get full access to library of premium stock images. You get full access to auto mode to have it all done for you. And then you get full access to manual mode to have a bit more control. You have done for you design, writing, formatting, all included. You can add your links, call to actions, and even monetize your content within your content within the ebook. And then you have special bonuses. One, ebook to audio converter. You have commercial rights included. You have OpenAI key no OpenAI key is required. And then you have a step-by-step training on how to sell on Amazing KDP, how to sell your guides on Amazing KDP. And then you can generate a bonus. They write ebooks in 90 plus different languages, and then you can see everything it writes on this page. So for just $34, you can get access to this powerful software, one-time payments, money back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. So I'm just going to hand over now. I'm going to try to conclude this. So click on the link under this video, and you'll be able to come over to this page to get a copy of eBook Valet, and I'm sure you're going to like it. It's from Joshua Zamora, and it's one of the top, veteran vendor on JVZoo platform, and it brings out a lot of high quality value products. So want to take your time, go ahead and check it out and secure 73% early bird discounts before it expires very soon. So go ahead, you see a link under this video, click on the link, and then it's going to bring you right on this page, and then you can go ahead and pick up the guide. So and pick up this eBook Valet. So you can see you have bonuses included for you. So go ahead and pick it up, and then I'll see you later. If you have any questions, please, you can leave it in the comment section or reach out to me via our support if you have our support contacts. So thank you, and bye bye.